just want to do a quick little outfit slash what I got for Christmas, because I'm wearing my new jeans that don't fit, but I made the decision to keep them anyways. You know, I love a good slouchy jean. These definitely need a belt if I'm like going out and about and like, you know, trying to be practical in them, but for now when I'm just lounging in the house, I think it's fine. So this is what they look like. They're very long, as you can see, so I cuffed them, and then I'm wearing my new Crocs. I'm obsessed with my Crocs. I can't wait to wear them to work. As you can see, I have to pull these up constantly, but that's okay. Again, I'll just wear a belt. It's not a big deal. And then this new Gorgiana peridot birthstone necklace. And then this is actually the key to my new typewriter. I put it on a little chain because I don't want to lose it. It was on my car keychain, but I was having trouble opening it, so I took it off of the keys, the key ring, and then I was like, this is not practical, so I decided to put it on just a chain to wear around my neck. Might not be very practical either, but I think it's easier than lugging around all my keys when I want to open it. I will show you the typewriter, of course. Let me just move this. I have to get, oh my god, my hair is disgusting. I have to get new ribbon, but I did actually, hold on. I was able to type out something yesterday. I don't know, you can so see it there. I also typed out, I didn't know how to put the paper in correctly, so it was like I typed it out in the middle of the page randomly, but it's actually kind of cool. This was the first thing I ever wrote right there. I don't know if you could see. So yeah, this is the start of it all. My new journey. I'm so excited for this thing. The woman who sold it to me was so sweet. She like showed me how to open it and everything, and she sent me a link to the right ribbon to buy. So I need to buy that today. It's on Amazon and I don't have an Amazon account, but I'm just gonna ask someone I know to buy it for me and I'll give them money, whatever. So yeah, I'm really excited for this new writing journey that I'm on. And yeah, anything that makes you excited to write is like a good thing, you know? If you're like me and get discouraged easily or get like bored or like uninspired or have ADHD. Okay, so anyways, let's do a little reading update while I'm here. I'm actually reading Looking for Alaska by John Green for the first time, and it's my first time reading John Green. I had no desire to read any of his stuff, but I randomly, one of his videos, because he's on YouTube, popped up, and it was about looking for Alaska, about how it's like being banned in schools or something like that. And I was like, you know what? I remember being a kid and sneaking up into my big sister's room and seeing that book, and the cover was so cool. Like, I found it very intriguing as a child. So I'm like, maybe I'll have that childlike wonder again And it is the Christmas season, so we are always searching for that childlike feeling in this holiday time. At least I am. So I did start reading it. It's very reminiscent to me of Donna Tartt. I think like the college, the campus novel-y vibe, even though they're not in college, they're actually in high school, but when I'm reading it, I don't think of high school. It feels very college-like to me because it is a boarding school. And you know, I'm like so not used to reading YA that I still just think of these kids as like at least in college, even though college is still like you're still a child in college. But anyways, it's like a campus novel, and it's like in the South, it's in Alabama, and it's also like has that kind of devastating vibe from the Goldfinch. So just, yeah, the atmospheric writing without being like heavy on prose. It's not like an overly artistic. It's definitely like YA, like it's like pretension for children, but it doesn't like the writing itself. It's more just like how the characters are acting more than like the writing style itself, if that makes sense. And like the kids like dialogue and thoughts more than the writing itself, if that makes any sense. I am more than halfway. I think I have like 80 something pages to go, so I'm gonna finish that today. Yesterday, or no, the day before, I finished Make It Nice, I think is what it's called, by Dorinda Medley, and that was the first Real Housewives alum book that I finished. I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. The part where she writes about her husband dying and her daughter's eulogy, is it a eulogy? Or just her daughter's speech at the funeral made me tear up for sure. I just thought it was a beautiful book. I really did. And I haven't even watched her seasons of Real Housewives, but now I want to because I really like her. And I watched some clips and she's like definitely like an alcoholic, which is sad but makes for good TV, unfortunately. And yeah, I hope she's doing well. But anyways, I'm reading, hold on, I have to go get it. Should I go get it now or should I wait? I think I'll wait because I don't want to edit this, but I have to. Will you guys wait 1 second? Just 1 second. Okay, I'm actually reading a lot of books right now. Physical books. Yesterday I started Clean by Alia Trabuco Zoran, I think is how you pronounce it. I kind of remember maybe trying to read this the beginning of last year. I'm enjoying it. It's definitely like well written. It is translated by Sophie Hughes. There is something in it that is kind of gimmicky to me, and I'm not fully following along with it. I honestly think it's kind of obnoxious. But that being said, it's something that I can get through because the story itself is intriguing. It's about a maid or like a housekeeper, whatever, who is maybe like in prison or being like is on trial for like the murder of the daughter of the family that she worked for. I'm very, very I think I'm like 20 something pages in, so I have no idea what's really going on, but I am liking it so far. I'm definitely gonna finish it and I'm excited to get deeper into it. I'm also reading Griffin Dunn's memoir, the son of Dominic Dunn and obviously Joan Didion and John Dunn's nephew. It's kind of big. I don't think I'll finish it. I just thought it had a beautiful cover when I saw it, and I'm like, oh, this could be interesting. Like, they're an interesting family. We'll see how far I get into that. And then, what was the other one? Oh, I'm reading August Blue by Deborah Levy. It's definitely not my favorite Deborah Levy so far. I'm not very far into it. But we'll see. I'll definitely give an update on that. I'm only like 30 pages in maybe. We'll see. It's no hot milk so far. But I still love Deborah Levy, and I'm definitely want to give it a chance. So yeah, this is I'm like out of breath talking to you guys. This is all off the dome. So I hope that like I got everything out that I needed to get out. I want to do like a spring cleaning, even though it's still December. I'll probably do it in January, which is still winter time. But yeah, we're very much due for a clean around here, and like I want to put some stuff in storage, so that's like my next video that I have planned for this channel. Also want to do some more covers and kind of figuring out what I want to do with that, and like trying to get back into guitar slowly but surely, start writing. Maybe with my new typewriter I'll write some songs. But yeah, also I have a new calendar. Let me just show you. Oh god, how do I show you? I can't zoom in, but it's pandas. It's a huge calendar. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you watched this much, I need to wash my hair today. We're also going to Walmart, so that's really fun. It's a rare occasion to go to Walmart here, but we're going, and we're gonna make a day of it. And then I'm gonna come home and wash my hair. So okay, bye guys. Happy New Year coming up.